Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Stocks, and today I'm going to talk about Larsen and Toubro. Will the sector perform or not? First of all, disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation and people taking any position to any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about L&T, here a small request that kindly support me on Patreon. Once you do that, help me grow the channel, help you also ask me questions and eke out answers in greater detail. Once you get the $10 membership, you will have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and number of podcasts I put up from time to time. And also, you can pay for 10 months, you get 1 year access by paying for 10 months. So that means you're paying $100 for just 10 months. For detailed market or company talk, you can directly email me and we can work things out with a fee. And also, if you cannot pay on Patreon, you can get the WhatsApp membership. You can directly email me for that. Now, what the company established in 1938, L&T provides infra ancillary products and infrastructure solutions. Is the largest capital goods manufacturing company here in India. Management is top class and one of the leading companies, perhaps the leading company in this sector altogether, and they serve leading clients in India and the Middle East and other parts of the world. The market cap of the company is 2.2 lakh crore. If you look at the financials, so sales in a very difficult environment went up by around 10% and profit was up by around 10% as well. There were increase in costs, especially raw material cost went up for this company as well. High institutional investors is there, and that is why FII are selling big time, and that is why something like L&T is also trading close to its 52-week low, just above that. ROE of around 14.5% is pretty decent. Margins around 15% is pretty decent considering the kind of turmoil this industry has gone through over the last 2-3 years. In terms of the performance, then it has done nothing for the past 3 years as a stock. So from 2019 onwards till now, it has virtually done nothing, probably 1 or 2 percentage point here or there. On the ground, it has done reasonably well in terms of getting more orders, and there is an order book pipeline that are available. Numbers have been decent, but again, the growth numbers are not 20-30% that most of the large investors like, because there are other sectors in which companies are doing 20-30% growth. But is a laggard compared to other sectors. As I mentioned, in IT, there are mid-cap IT companies doing 25-30% growth. There are consumer companies doing better. So things should be better in a couple of years. I still believe FY23 may still be a year of struggle because of high cost for the sectors in which they cater to. But from 24 onwards, hopefully things should pick up. So it still remains a market leader in this space. In terms of technicals, I believe 1350 1400 is a very strong support. It's currently around 1540 1550. Any dips below 1500 is a very good buying opportunity. A strong up move is expected only above 1850, so it is range bound between 1500 to 1800, and that has been the case for many months. So can be bought on any declines from current levels and may see consolidation even going forward. But the best part about this is those who are you can say low risk takers or risk averse investors can get into this sector and this company, because from here on in there is not much of a major downside that can be seen. Maybe 10% at worst if the market goes down 15-20%, but I think the upside is there on the longer term charts. So in my opinion, would avoid, I think for long term even I would avoid. I would like to probably get into sectors which could grow 25-30%, and there is a growth visibility that is available. In IT, that is available, mid-cap IT, we have select pharma, we have consumer companies that could do well if somebody can probably buy in a staggered manner. But I think this sector altogether may still struggle for the next 2-3 quarters. So better to look at pure consumption plays. It is one of the best in this business. So if you really want to buy something in capital goods, I think L&T is one of the picks. So this was my video on Larsen and Toubro. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you get my video straight away when I post it, and kindly support me on Patreon. Thanks a lot for watching.